How to find square root of 3969 by long division method? We need to make pair first. So make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Now work on this pair. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 39 or nearest to 39. So if you take here, look, see 7 squared equal to 49, which is greater than 39. So 6 will be correct. So 6 squared equal to 36, which is nearest to 39. Since you have taken that it is 6 in the divisor side, so same digit will come to the quotient side, that is here. 6 times 6, 36. If you subtract, you are getting 3. Bring down the next pair. Okay, since you have placed the digit 6 in the quotient, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 6 plus 6, 12. Take here digit and same digit will come here. Now multiply this. The result should be equal to this or nearest to this. This time this. So if you take here, look, 3, then what will happen? Look, 3 times 123. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. So if you take here 3, then 3 times 123, that gives you 369, which is equal. So 3 times 123, 369. Now subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. Okay, since you have placed the digit 3 here, so same digit will come here and you need to add 3 plus 3, 6, then 2, 1. The double of 63 is 126. This means that our answer 63 is correct. So the square root of 3969 by long division method is 63.